Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a little demonstration on Microsoft Word and how it can be used to make a photo collage or a poster for one of your classes. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Microsoft Word app. Okay, and then there's different templates that you can use, but for the most part, for specific templates, you're just going to want to use a blank document. So if you click on the blank document in the top left, you'll be able to open it up. So let's say we wanted to do a little poster or a photo collage based off of cells. And so what we're going to do is we're going to probably have some pictures of cells as well as some text and things that we're going to add in. So it's quite easy to add some pictures of cells and things like that into your photo collage or to insert text. Okay, but we also may want to have a different paper size for our posters and things like that. And so for a poster project, probably the bigger the paper, the better your poster would actually look in the end. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our size and show you how to do that. Up at the top, you have a navigation bar here. Navigation tabs. If you want to click on where it says layout. So if you click right where it says layout, and then you have some options that show up: margins, orientation, size. So let's click on size. We're going to change the size of this paper. And we have lots of different sizes we can do, from regular letter to legal, and we can change the size of that paper to whatever we need to change that to. Really, for a poster, we just want to go probably about as big as we can. So as big of paper as we can, which in this case would be this A3 for us right now. Okay, so that increases the size of our page. So we have more room to work on for our posters. Okay, now let's say we want to insert a picture. There's lots of ways to insert pictures, but one way would be if we found a picture on the internet. We'll go to our internet, say we found a picture of a cell. We want that picture. So what we could do is if you click and hold on that cell, you just click and hold that up, and you can actually have some options here. So one of them is just to add to photos. So let's add that picture to our photos. Okay, we like that picture. We're going to add that to our photos. So let's go to back to our Microsoft Word document here. All right. When we want to add a picture, if we click on Insert up at the top, and then you have some options here again. We could either take a picture and insert that picture, but we just save the picture to our device. So if we click this little one that looks like it has a hillside with a little sun on it there, so we click that. And then it comes up with some of the photos, the recent ones we've had. And so if we just click on All Photos, and let's just click on that one right there, the photo of that cell that we wanted to insert. Okay, once you have that inserted, you can take it and we can adjust. If we select that picture, we can adjust the size of that picture. But it's a little bit hard to move around sometimes when we do that. So what you can do is if you go to, up at the top, you click where it says Picture. And then where it says Wrap Text. If you click on that Wrap Text, and then we could either click, the best one is really kind of this one right here, in front of text for a poster or something like that. So we click on this in front of poster. We can now take this picture and we can move it wherever we need to without any limitations. Okay, so we have a picture here. We want to get some text that goes with that. We want to be able to move that text around as well. So if we go back up to Insert again, click on Insert. A good way to do this is our text box. So this is a box here. Right here has a T on it and then some lines. If we click on that, then we get a text box. And so then we can take this text box and we can change the size of this text box. We can change what we put in our text box. We can, if we go to Home, we select our text. Okay, we can go up here at the top. We can actually change the color of that text. So you want some green text there. You want to make it bold. We can change the font size of this text. So we can change it to a larger or smaller font size, whatever we want. We can change the style of that font. So once we have our text that we want, there we go. So once we have our text we want, we can move it into places where we would like to have it, and we can begin to build our poster that way. So a quick little demonstration on Microsoft Word, how that works. You can use this for your poster projects that you may have in classes, as well as your daily assignments.